Right, 11th of February update at Wheatridge. Yes, we've had snow, which is nice, but not when you're building. Right, steels have arrived and the builders, Chris and Dan, have brought them in. Not all of them, but most of them are here. So we can crack on now, and they've been brought in on the Manitou. The back of the house is now acroed up with some boards and etc. And there's your steels there. Some nice icicles, that's quite a big one. It's all thawing. And they're ready. That big boy there, that's going up there. The house is literally on stilts. So once the steels go in, then all the timbers can be latched onto them. Everywhere can start being shored up. So yeah, there's a bit of plastering inside, but not too much. Yeah, we're now ready to get on with it. Yeah, that'll do.